This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Bo Lucas. Magnificent Pass-A-Grille beach cottage a few feet from the beach, and a few houses from the Intracoastal. This home has been completely restored with the glorious 50s era in mind. Extravagant, rare, green terrazzo floors throughout, crown molding, new hurricane windows and tons of light. The beautiful pool, 2007, and pavers give the feel of a resort. The pool is also heated with a new pool heater. There is also a covered porch/lanai off the back of the house at the pool area. The pool area is surrounded with beautiful tropical landscaping. This is truly a tropical oasis. The home is fenced, and also has brand new hermetically sealed insulation. There is also new AC, 2023. 2 blocks to downtown, with all its great restaurants, cafes, bars and boutiques.